How to log out Instagram from other devices without changing password. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So to do this it's really simple. As you can see here I am on my profile, and then from here you have to click on those three lines from the right top corner and then go to settings. And then from here you want to go to security and then go to the second option, which is login activity. So here you'll find all the devices where you are connected. So if you are worried that somebody else is connected with your Instagram on their device, you just have to go on the device that you want to log out. So here, as you can see, they provide us as well as the location and the device. So you just have to click on those three dots and then click log out. So they say that your account has been logged out of session in that location. If you don't recognize this activity, you have to change your password. And then click OK. And that's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.